Have you ever wondered where Bitcoin came from? Or how blockchain technology became a global revolution? Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of Bitcoin and the blockchain explained simply, for beginners. Before Bitcoin, people were already dreaming of digital money. In the 1990s, a group of developers called the cypherpunks were working on ways to protect privacy online and create secure digital cash. One major breakthrough came from a man named Nick Szabo, who created BitGold, an early idea that looked a lot like Bitcoin but never took off. Then in 2008, something big happened. A mysterious person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto released a paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. On January 3, 2009, Bitcoin was officially born. Satoshi mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block. This new system allowed people to send money without needing a bank. Shortly after, the first ever Bitcoin transaction took place between Satoshi and a developer named Hal Finney. And in 2010, someone paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, that would be worth millions of dollars. So what is this blockchain that makes Bitcoin work? Think of it as a digital ledger, like a notebook that records every Bitcoin transaction, but it's stored across thousands of computers. Once a block is added to the chain, it can't be changed. That's what makes it secure and transparent. And it's not just for money. People realized blockchain could be used for voting, supply chains, even art like NFTs. Since its launch, Bitcoin has inspired thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is now being explored by banks, governments, and tech companies around the world. From a small project by a mysterious creator, Bitcoin has become a symbol of freedom, privacy, and innovation. Whether you support it or not, one thing is clear: Bitcoin and blockchain have changed the world. And that's the short and simple history of Bitcoin and blockchain. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more beginner-friendly crypto videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.